Okay, welcome to Mathsfunkids. Okay, today we will be looking at another set of questions. We have two questions before us. Question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1. A girl buys 2 packets of sweet for 180 naira. The cost of 2 packets of a sweet equal to 180 naira. Now, how much will she buy 12 packets? Now, we need to find the cost of 1 packet. If 2 packets equal to 180 naira, cost of 1 packet. The cost of 1 packet will be what? 180 naira divided by 2. So we have 2 goes in 18 is 9 and 2 goes in 0 is 0. So the cost of 1 packet is 90 naira. Now the question before us is the cost of 12 packets. Cost of 12 packets of sweet will now be 90 naira times 12. 90 times 12. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 9 is 18. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 9 is 9. Is 0. 8. 1 plus 9 will give us 10. So the cost of 12 packets is 1080 naira. That's question number 1. Now let's consider the second question. The second question is find the simple interest on 6,000 naira for 5 years at 3% per annum. Okay? The formula for simple interest is a principal times rate times time all over 100. Now from what we have here, the principal is the money invested, which is 6,000 naira. Okay? The rate is always in a percentage, which is 3%. The time is 5 years. So let's input all these numbers in the formula. We have 6,000 naira multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 all over 100. These 2 zeros, you cancel the 2 zeros here. You are left with 60 multiplied by 3 times 5 will give us 15. So we now have 60 times 15 left. 60 multiplied by 15. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 6 will give us 30. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 6 will give us 6. So we have 900. The interest is 900 naira. So, and what does that mean? If you invest 6,000 naira for 5 years at the rate of 3%, the interest is what? Per annum is 900 naira. So we have come to the end of today's teaching. We'll continue next time. Thank you very much.
Okay, let me repeat that one.